about the 1932 DeSoto 6 SA Series Deluxe Sedan? Pilot blue and black over gray, 56,000 actual miles. 4 owners from new. This thing's a show winner with a 205 cubic inch inline 6, plush interior, 3-speed manual transmission. It almost looks like a little bit of a Model A-ish look to it, but it's
more
really
opulent. Yeah, beautiful car.
Yeah, when you really stop and look at it, you could walk right past it and think, oh, that's just a Model A or just a whatever, which is not diminishing a Model A. I love Model A's. But this one is just different enough when you start really looking at it. You go, oh, wow, look at that. It's different, and that's kind of cool.
It really is.